His Excellency Mr. Yuri Trudnev, Minister of Natural Resources and Ecology of the Russian Federation. Your Excellency, you have the floor.
Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to welcome you on behalf of the government of the Russian Federation. Our country has made an impressive contribution to implementation of the Kyoto Protocol. Russia is responsible for about half of the reduction of greenhouse gases over the Kyoto period. We are very interested in binding decisions. We believe that every country must make its contribution to reducing greenhouse gases. First, of course, within the limits of their economic possibilities. The Russian Federation is making such a contribution. The government of Russia in 2009 took a number of decisions designed to reduce the use of energy. A decision was taken to increase the use of renewable energy by 5 times, and measures are being taken to reduce the energy consumption of various different products by 40%. And quite recently, the President of Russia signed a federal law on energy saving and increasing the effectiveness of use of energy, promoting the energy-efficient projects in housing in particular. Russia, by carrying out measures to restructure its economy, up to the 2009, has reduced energy by some 30%. And the climate doctrine of the Russian Federation, determining policy in terms of adaptation and combating climate change, is important in this regard. At the national level, we have decided to reduce emissions by 25% from the baseline. By conducting a consistent policy for energy saving, we hope to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions in the coming period. As a result of implementing this policy, up to the period 2020, we shall save some 30 billion tons of CO2, 30 million tons. We need to get down to action. We need to adopt a new document which considers the new realities and the new needs, a new mechanism for implementation of these requirements, requiring financing for support to developing countries. We welcome the efforts of all countries, but it'll only work if all countries work together. And this needs to be a key, fundamental new agreement. Finally, we think that the problems of climate change should not reduce freedom of trade. We should see that free trade has been the motor of progress over recent decades. Thank you.
I would like to